Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to transfer USDC from Bitrue to KuCoin in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will keep things simple, secure, and straightforward for beginners and pros alike. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just experimenting, let's get started. First off, make sure you have verified accounts on both Bitrue and KuCoin, and that your USDC is safely in your Bitrue wallet. Security is key in crypto, so always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets section and select USDC from your asset list. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Click on the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address. That's your KuCoin USDC address. Pro tip: double-check this address to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 3. Before confirming on Bitrue, hop over to your KuCoin account. Go to the Assets or Deposit section, select USDC, and copy the deposit address. Ensure it matches the correct network, like ERC20, to prevent issues. Step 4. Back on Bitrue, paste the KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDC you want to transfer, review the network fees, and hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Take a moment to verify everything. Step 5. Once submitted, the transfer will process on the blockchain. This might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your KuCoin wallet for the deposit to appear. A few quick tips. Always use reputable exchanges, monitor for any minimum transfer amounts, and be mindful of fees that could eat into your USDC. If you're new, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how to seamlessly transfer USDC from Bitrue to KuCoin in 2025. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.